Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do site visits? Well, we have the solution for you. Property Cloud is a PropTech service wherein you can do virtual site visits without actually having to physically visit the site. And I understand in Mumbai traffic it is actually very difficult to go site to site. So that's the reason we bring to you virtual site visits in which you can see the properties virtually on your phone or your laptop screen, and then you can shortlist it. Once you have shortlisted a couple of properties, then you can do selective physical site visits, and that too with a free pickup and drop service. Now, how does that work? It's very simple. Once you have seen this video, I'm going to tell you in the end how you can contact us. Once you do that, our salesperson will then pick you up and also take you for site visits and then drop you back home safely and absolutely free of cost. We also connect you directly with the developer, thereby giving you not just the best price but also a zero brokerage policy. Now, isn't all of this amazing? Wait a second, what else is amazing is that we're not just present in Mumbai. We are present across the globe, not just in the top tier cities in India, but in the top countries also in the world where you can invest in a house or a commercial space. Well, we are present in UAE, in Canada, in USA, in Singapore, and many more places. So now, first of all, let me tell you where I have come today, and let me tell you something about this project. Here I am today at Navi Mumbai Seawoods, and I'm going to show you the complete development of L&T, because this development is not something that I can talk to you about one single project. They have multiple projects ongoing over here, and first of all, let me show you the complete development, and then we will come to the point about which project I'm talking about. Let's go and take a look. This is the 40 acres of land that has been acquired by L&T for the development of commercial and residential. Now, this being a transit-oriented development, there is a railway station, underground railway station, that is right over here, and also the connectivity from Palm Beach Road is amazing. Along with that, the Sion Panvel Expressway is also very close by, and even via the Atal Setu, which is pretty close, you can reach South Bombay in just about 30 minutes. And not just that, but also the airport is just about 30 to 40 minutes from this place. Now, this is the Seawood Residential Complex, which is a development in 10 acres. Now, the best part about this project was that they had released only 450 units, for which they received 1800 EOI. So they had to actually return back the EOI made by customers, and also the delivery of the project was done 21 months before the ROI. Now, this over here is the complete commercial complex, the Nexus Mall, and right next to it is their upcoming development, that is West Square. And rather than showing you West Square over here, West Square is right behind me under development. Let's take a closer look at it. Let's go. Now, this over here is the 5-acre development, which is going to have 4 towers, and you can already see the development that is happening right now. Now, this is the 3D model of West Square, and here you can see the clubhouse, the 30,000 square feet clubhouse, which will have a lot of internal amenities. Along with that, this Olympic size swimming pool and the kids play area, the jogging track, and all the amenities that you can see are going to be visible right over here. And this over here is the residential tower that is going to be there. And now let me tell you about the most premium project that is coming up at L&T Seawoods, and that is West Menor, and it is going to be right over here. Let's dive into it. This is going to be constructed in a total land parcel of 1.3 acres, and it's a very low density project because there are going to be only 76 premium 2 and 3 BHK apartments, out of which the 740 square feet would be from 2.2 crore onwards, the 825 square feet would be 2.45 crore onwards, the 930 square feet would be 2.89 crore onwards, the 1060 square feet would be 3.3 crore onwards, and the 1185 square feet would be 3.6 crore onwards. Now, this one is going to be a total 11 floor development, wherein there'll be 2 different towers. In fact, 1 tower with 2 different wings. One would have 3 BHKs only, and one would have 2 BHKs only. And they're going to be 8 floors of residentials and 3 floors of podium and parking. Now, the podium floor would also have your amenities like an indoor swimming pool, a gymnasium, a play area, and much more. Now, these 2 wings that I'm talking about The 2 BHK wing would have 4 apartments on every floor, and the 3 BHKs would have 6 apartments on every floor. The sample flat of this one is not yet ready, but the sample flat of West Menor is ready. I'm going to show it to you, but before that, let me also tell you that there is also the EOI that is open right now. The EOI window is open and it is of 6 lakh rupees. And I'm sure you know all the benefits of an EOI, that you will get to select your inventory, you will get priority over booking. And as I told you, that for the first project that they had delivered, they got 1800 EOIs for just 450 units. So you need to do your EOI booking very soon. But before that, I'm sure you want to see, not exactly, but approximately what would the flat look like from inside. I'm going to show you their 3-bedroom. Let's go and take a look at it. And here is the apartment that is going to have the most beautiful views of Navi Mumbai. Let's take a look at this one. This is your living and dining area combined together, and it comes with a very beautiful balcony, very beautiful balcony, because it's going to have the best views. As I told you, one side is going to have the mangroves view, one side is going to have the city views, and then also the amenity views. So here is your balcony to take a view. Let's take a look at this one. The flooring is wooden finished ceramic tiles. The balcony is covered from 3 sides and comes with a toughened glass railing as well. Now here I am back in the dining area, और dining area के exactly बाजू में है आपका kitchen. आइए kitchen की तरफ एक बार देखते हैं. ये है आपका kitchen which comes with 2 different platforms. One is an L-shaped platform for your gas and your utilities, and this is your workstation that comes with a vegetable sink. And there's also a utility space right over here. This is your utility area which comes covered, and you can place your washing machines or your dishwashers also over here. Now there's also additional space for your washing machines right over here. So this, as I said, is your utility slab, and there is extra provision for your washing machines which also comes with the electrical outputs. And right next to this, next to your dining area, the first bedroom, that's the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom over here is of approximately 10 by 13 square feet, and it also has an attached toilet and wash with it, which also comes with a window right over there in the corner. And this is the complete bedroom that comes with this glass wall, which is also opening one, so it slides open half, the top half of it. The bottom half is a fixed furniture, is a fixed place, and the top half is a sliding window. Now that you've seen how well lit the guest bedroom is, let's go and check how are the rest of the bedrooms. Come on. From the living area towards the master bedroom is this small aisle where your common areas are. So the common bathroom and the common bedroom. Let's take a look at the common bedroom first. Here is the kids' bedroom. Now this one comes with a little different window, and that's because this is not a window. It is a flower bed right over here. So you take one step up over here and step right into the flower bed. This area also is covered from the top and comes with this iron railing. And right opposite this room is the common bathroom. And the common bathroom also comes with a utility space. But first, let's take a look at this. So there are so many multiple utility spaces that you're getting in this house. One in the kitchen and this one in the bathroom as well. Here is the master bedroom that comes with another cute little flower bed right over here. Now this is not actually a flower bed if you compare it with the kids' bedroom. It is more like a balcony because it's more spacious, and yet it also comes with this step right over here, and we step into the flower bed. Now the views you can already see are so beautiful and so ravishing, and this iron railing will help you give the perfect evenings. Covered balconies also help protect from the rains. Because it is the master bedroom, shouldn't it come with a walk-in wardrobe? Walk inside your wardrobe right now so that I can also show you the master bathroom. This space over here is your walk-in wardrobe. And though we have seen this balcony from the utility balcony from the other bathroom, it is right over here. So in case you were wondering over there, where does this connect to? So it connects right over here from the other bathroom. And now if you're wondering that I have already told you about the EOI amount and how would you get, what are the benefits that you would get. But if you want to know how will you go ahead with it, do you need to come over here? How exactly do we need to do that? What is the process? I'm gonna tell that to you. Stay with me. So now that you have seen the property, I'm sure आप जानना चाहते हैं बुकिंग कैसे करें. EOI का अमाउंट बता दिया, बुकिंग का अमाउंट बता दिया, लेकिन आगे क्या? आगे बहुत सिंपल है. Caption में there is a link mentioned on which you need to click so that our salesperson will get in touch with you. Once you have clicked and registered and our salesperson has got in touch with you, then you can go for site visits with them, which is going to be obviously free of cost, just like I already told you. There's going to be no brokerage involved, just like I already told you. So this is going to be a hassle-free and a brokerage-free experience for you, wherein you can book your dream property without any tension over here with us at Property Cloud. And that's the reason I, Ekta Kapoor, take you on these property visits so that you can take your dream home without any worries. Stay tuned to our channel and do not forget to subscribe to us ताकि आप देख सके और ऐसी ही खूबसूरत सी प्रॉपर्टीज.